On the 6th of December, Blue Origin will have their next mission. Stock of Virgin Galactic actually bounced always a couple of times with the Blue Origin flight. SpaceX reaching Mars, Blue Origin going to the moon. This huge event will also lead to a rally in Virgin Galactic stock. So welcome to a brand new vlog, and it seems that there is a chance that Virgin Galactic is racing to the moon, or at least a short-term, let's say, rally to a higher place, because currently the fun is not on our side, right? I mean, at least if you are a short-term investor, you are biting the graphite. Can you say that like that? I don't know. But anyway, it's not fun to see the stock going down. But there is light at the end of the tunnel, right? Every now and then there's like a nice kind of piece of news or anything that shows me the Virgin Galactic stock is still on the radar of one of the biggest investment magazines out there, and this is Barron's. Barron's actually made a piece on Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin. As you might have heard from the news, here you get the facts. On the 6th of December, Blue Origin will have their next mission, and it seems at least two people are unveiled. One is the daughter of Alan Shepard, so a kind of marketing gag here, as you can see. And the second, an NFL player, NFL star, is paying apparently the $28 million prize for a flight into space. But let's have a look what Barron actually is saying. So Blue Origin is taking Hall of Famer Michael Strahan, this is the NFL star, to space. It's good news for Virgin Galactic. This is already the headline. So space tourism is back in the news. Jeff Bezos' space company Blue Origin will take NFL Hall of Fame member Michael Strahan into space. It's a big announcement, not only because Strahan is huge, both physical in terms of his record over 216 pro games for the New York Giants. It's also significant for Virgin Galactic, whose stock usually gets a boost from Blue Origin launches and news. Investors in Galactic could use good news right about now. Well, they are right about that, right? I mean, there's a couple of things. First, I really like that Barron is talking about Virgin Galactic. This is great, always every now and then to have some news, have some coverage, have some PR. And then, with the news of Blue Origin, we have general space news. This is exactly where the place should be cooking right now, okay? You should have, more and more and more news coming, more and more TV series coming, whatever it might take to bring the space industry forward, to make it more real, make it more real out there that space is the future. So while the rest of the article is behind the paywall, meanwhile, I had the chance to read it prior, and they talk about how the stock of Virgin Galactic actually bounced always a couple of times with the Blue Origin flights. Okay, it was with the original Jeff Bezos flight, it was with the original second flight of Blue Origin. So you can see a quite of correlation into this, and this is obviously understandable because this is a huge industry, and as more news you seeing on very, very small players in this industry, as more you believe into this industry. Okay, let's have a look into the stock at least for a second, because I think it's important to see where we are standing now, which is currently at around $17. Okay. The stock is just over the last couple of months, just going from 22 down really 20% more over the period of November. So it was not a great November for space stock. But I think, and I talked about this in my video yesterday, that you should check that out, where I talk about why we could see first $14 before we go for even higher. But it's never too sure. It's like timing the market. It's impossible to say. It really depends on the news. As you remember, back in the summer, one news about the FAA approval and the stock shoot up 40%, right? I made so crazy amount of money for just one day. But then it all broke down since the summer. Actually, if you are looking very much back to the summer, you know, you see that from 55, where we were at 27 of June, around the first test flight, we lost about 69%, which is, you know, a very interesting number, 69. But on the other hand, obviously frustrating. But again, guys, this is so early, and I made another video if we are too early. So if you have some interest in these videos, then make sure to check them out. Okay, so there's really the question, okay, how much pain you can take as an investor, and obviously this is limited if you are into call options. Okay, so make sure to buy the real stuff stocks, because those you can hold forever, and I'm pretty much sure that the stock will see new highs, maybe already end of next year, maybe the year behind that. But it will, if they execute well. There's basically no other chance that the stock can go further higher if they execute well. Okay, so with that said, I want to discuss one more thing that is correlated between Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin. So stay tuned and like and subscribe if you want to get into a community with space investors and talk with us. Check out the link into the description to the masterclass. You can get lifetime access to the Discord, where we talk about daily about space and other stocks, where I post my trades and everything. So make sure to get on that early and get a 35% off with Space 35. So let's dive into the conclusion of this video. If you are aware of the current stock market, then you can see a correlation between companies in the same sector. I will give you an example. You have seen the success of Tesla. The success of Tesla sparked a great rally for NEO stock, right? From $3 to $40. Then you have seen Nikola, a very, you know, fraud company basically, that really gained track because of Tesla and the success of Tesla. You have seen Rivian also getting tremendous value because of the success of Tesla. And you can see that there is always one bigger winner, and there's other stocks that really benefit from this new trend. And I strongly believe that the next EV trend that we see in this EV story could be in the next 10 years, not only in the metaverse, where I see also huge opportunity, but also in the space industry, okay? So you will see that more and more companies are getting successful, and there's maybe just, you know, those companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic, just like one of those companies to make like huge success, like for example SpaceX reaching Mars, Blue Origin going to the moon. These huge events, and obviously increasing of values for these companies, will also lead to a rally in Virgin Galactic stock. So, you know, there could be some major space news, and this would help tremendously the value of Virgin Galactic. So don't be focused only on Virgin Galactic. Also understand the environment where we are at with Virgin Galactic, and then this environment can help the stock, even though there's not big news around the stock. So there will be times, beside the huge milestone after milestone catching by Virgin Galactic, that we actually will see that other space companies are having a huge success and moving forward, or is great space news, and this will help Virgin Galactic as well. Or could be even a government news. Imagine the FAA will say they invest billions of dollars into the space, or the commercialization of space, and this could help the Virgin Galactic stock as well. So this nice little events that are more and more over the next couple of months are very great for a great success of Virgin Galactic. So stay tuned. It's the most exciting times in my personal opinion, because we are at the bottom now. Maybe it's 17, maybe it's 16, maybe it's 50, maybe it's even 10, maybe it's $12. But from there is a huge rocket ship to run. Okay, and I would love to see you on board of that.